FTW, how to play. The object of the game is to score the most points. Once one player has only one card left in their hand, the round ends, and you score positive points from the single highest card in your hand, and negative points for every other card. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. Separate the cards based on the number of players. 2 to 3 players uses cards numbered 1 to 36. 4 players 1 to 48, and 5 to 6 players use all 60 cards. Place any unused cards in the box. Shuffle the deck and deal each player 12 cards unless playing with 6, then only deal 10. Place any remaining cards face down without looking at them. Players look at the cards in their hand but keep them hidden from others. Each player selects 3 cards and passes them face down to the player on their right. After everyone passes, then each player adds the cards passed to them into their hand. On your turn, if there is no discard pile, you must discard any single card of your choice. If there already is a discard pile, then you must perform one of 3 options. Option 1. Discard one card of a higher number than the top card in the discard. The number can be any number so long as it is higher. Option 2. You can play one card that has a lower number than the top card in the discard face up in front of you as an auxiliary card. Then, pick up any single card in the discard so everyone can see it, and add it to your hand. Next, flip over the entire discard pile and remove it, setting it aside. You are allowed to look through the discard pile at any time. Set aside cards cannot be looked at for the remainder of the round. Option 3. When you have one or more auxiliary cards in front of you, you can combine their value with any card in your hand, allowing you to discard a lower number than the top card in the discard by adding the value of any number of auxiliary cards to it until their sum is greater than the top card in the discard. Once an auxiliary card has been used, flip it over and remove it, setting it aside. When a player gets down to their last 2 cards, they should inform the others. The number of cards in each player's hand is public knowledge. When you discard your second to last card, the round ends. It does not end by playing it in front of you. When the round ends, each player scores positive points for their highest value card and negative points for every other card. If the value of your hand is negative, then you record a 0 instead. Record your scores on a score sheet, then gather up the cards, shuffle them, and play another round with the next player in clockwise order from the last round start player going first. Once every player has gone first once, the game ends and the player with the most points wins.